जे खेल खेलला बेले वी हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स and we should play the game in a proper manner, and you certainly ought to jump far enough to qualify. ताମାନେ तुमको ଯଥେଷ୍ଟ ପରିମାଣରେ ଡେଇଁବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. What does it matter if you are not first in the trials? What does it matter? କ'ଣ ହେଲା ଏଠୁ? ତମେ ଯଦି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଜମ୍ପଟାରେ ତ କିଛି you don't think over this. What does it matter if you are not first in the trials? Tomorrow is what counts. देख पिले ये tomorrow is what counts तार अर्थटा आमे जानिबा दरकार. कौन तार अर्थ होची जे ओलंपिक doesn't matter in the trials. Olympic doesn't matter. Olympic doesn't matter in the trials. In the trials. Doesn't matter who comes fast. Who Olympic doesn't matter who comes fast in the trials. But who comes fast? But who comes fast? But who comes fast? But it matters who comes fast. Olympic doesn't matter who comes fast in the trials. Trial रे किए फास्ट हम से मैटर नुहे. मैटरटा हूँ कथाटा हूँ मैटर हूँ कथाटा हूँ जे किए से लंग जंप रे माने फास्ट हैला एटा हूँ दिस इज द मैटर. नाउ स्ट्राइकिंग टेक अ बोर्ड. Look said, why don't you draw a line a few inches at the back of the board and aim at making your take off from there? You will sure not to foul and certainly ought to jump far enough to qualify. What does it matter if you are not fast in the trials? Tomorrow is what counts. Suddenly all the tensions seemed to ebb out of my body. About means go away. Suddenly all the tensions seem to ebb out of my body as the truth of what he said to hit me. जो मो मन भीतर जहाँ थिला जे मु काले कौन होइजिबी नर्भसनेस मते धरी पकईथिला किंतु सडनली ऑल दी टेंशन सीम टू एब आउट ऑफ माय बॉडी. तेणु मुझे आई वाज इन टेंशन. सो द टेंशन्स went away from me. मो मन भीतर जेकोसी काम करने पूर्वर मन भीतर नर्भसनेस आसे मनीष टी टेंशन हो जाए. तेणु जम्प फ्रॉम द सेट हिट मी कॉन्फिडेंटली. आई ड्रू ए लाइन ए फुल फुट behind the board and proceeded to jump from there. I qualified with almost a food to spare. So now this is finished. We shall discuss some comprehension questions given in the book. Let us find out the questions and their answers. I will give you their ideal answers on the blackboard. So what does a coach say about an angry athlete? ଏଠି କୋଚ୍ ଯିଏ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ଟ୍ରେନର ସେ କ'ଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି an angry athlete. You remember an angry athlete usually commits mistakes. An angry athlete usually commits mistakes while playing. ବାସ୍ତବ ରେ ଜଣେ ରାଗିଲା ଖେଳାଳି ବା ଯେକୌଣସି ଲୋକ ରାଗିଯାଏ ସେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ କୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ କାମ କଲା ବେଳକୁ ସେଥିରେ ଭୁଲ ହେଇଯିବ. What does a coach say? So this is the version of the coach on anger. So now the first question is solved. The second question is, what were the results of the first two qualifying jumps for women's? What were the results of the first two qualifying jumps for women's? Women's became Jessie Owens became over conscious how to qualify himself in the jumps. Over consciousness led him to disqualify consciousness led him to disqualify himself. Now 2 questions are solved. The rest questions will be solved tomorrow. Thank you.